Today I will show you how you can use your old action camera as a dash camera for your car. So I have this camera here that I've been using, but with time the battery lost its capacity to charge. It doesn't last much and the batteries are expensive, so sometimes instead of buying a new battery you may decide to buy a new action camera. But what do you do with your old one? Some action cameras have actually driving mode and you can turn it on and use it in your car. Although action cameras do not have any special mounts for a car, you still can use some mounts to adapt it to your car. For example, here I have a mount that is used for helmets. Action camera is detached very easily from it, like this. So what I did here was to use this helmet mount, which comes with the sticky tape on it. So I attach it to the dash of my car and it's pretty tight here. The sticky tape works pretty well. And then this mount comes with this second mount here, which you can attach to your camera, and then you can remove and put it back easily. And it stays here. And then you pass the USB cable to the charger of the car, which I have here. You pass the cable, you can hide it inside the panels and then connect it to your camera. And then you have choose the driving mode settings. So here we see the driving mode and it is enabled. So when you enable this option, you will tell the camera that the camera will have to turn on automatically when you turn on the car, and it will start recording the videos automatically as well. And then when you turn off your car, it will turn off. So here in the settings you see this loop recording. By these settings you define how long each video will be. You can have 2, 3 or 5 minutes long videos. Here I would suggest to use the shortest length, because then it's easier to search for the moment that you recorded. And also during an accident there's less chances that your video is lost. Normally this camera, when something happens, should still keep the data, but just in case it's better to have shorter videos. So when you record shorter videos there's less chances that a long video gets interrupted in the middle and is not recorded correctly to the file. And then you also can set the video resolution. For the car dash cameras you don't have to use higher resolutions. The idea of the camera is to record an accident. With these settings, the small settings, you can record more videos because they will occupy less space on the SD card, and the video quality is pretty good. I will show you some of the examples in the videos in the end. Here you can also choose if you want to record the sound. You can enable it or disable it. Let me show you how it works now. So I turn off the camera now. And I will turn on the car now. I'm putting my keys in and I'm just turning it halfway, and you see it's getting the signal that the charger here was activated. So the camera understands that it needs to turn on, and it automatically started recording. I didn't touch the camera. And it will record up to 2 minutes, and then it will save the file and it will start recording another file. Now let me turn off the car ignition. So I remove the key, and now the camera should stop recording and turn off on its own. So it would probably record until the end of the video, up to 2 minutes. And then we'll turn off. Now it has detected that the power was turned off, and it says it will shut down in 10 seconds. And now it's shut down. So this is how it works. So you don't have to get rid of your old action cameras. You can use them as dash cameras and can provide you with visual evidence if something happens while driving.